Listen to this scientist, he's telling that the space has brain. And brain more than angels, more than computer, more than man, and very complex. Maybe someday they will decode. This scientist is telling like this.
That are behind your head right now. These are pictures of equations. I've been, for the last 15 years, trying to answer the kinds of questions that my colleagues here have been raising. And what I've come to understand is that there are these incredible pictures that contain all the information of a set of equations that are related to string theory. And it's even more bizarre than that, because when you then try to understand these pictures, you find out that buried in them are computer codes just like the type that you find in a browser when you go surf the web.
You're saying your attempt to understand the fundamental operations of nature leads you to a set of equations that are indistinguishable from the equations that drive search engines and browsers on our computers.
That is correct. So
wait, I have to just be silent for a minute here. So you're saying as you dig deeper, you find computer code writ in the fabric of the cosmos.
Into the equations that we want to use to describe the cosmos, yes.
Computer code.
Computer code, strings of bits of ones and zeros.
It's not just sort of resembles computer code, you're saying it is computer code.
It's not even just is computer code, it's a special kind of computer code that was invented by a scientist named Claude Shannon in the 1940s. That's what we find very, very deeply inside the equations that occur in string theory and in general in systems that we can say are supersymmetric.
The angels are on the edges of the universe, and they rebelled the throne of your Lord above them that they ate. يحمل عرش ربكم فوقهم يومئذ ثمانية. The holders of the universe is telling it's 8 particles. 8. All the universe is held by 8 particles. We will watch a video, they are claiming there is 5, the universe. They will find another 3, I will tell. This is a claim. This man will ask the universe.
Ask the universe.
Jason, I'm glad you asked that question. The smallest things in the universe are the fundamental subatomic particles, like electrons, or the quarks that make up protons and neutrons, or neutrinos. Now, all these particles are thought to be different vibrational modes of a little tiny entity called a string, a little tiny package of energy. And that, then, is the smallest thing from which everything else is made.
Scientists have just started trying to explore strings and other incredibly small stuff in the microscopic universe. And what they've found offers tantalizing clues to a world beyond.
Now this is the last video. The universe, what is made of, okay?
And because of quantum mechanics, this means there has to be a filled particle. Enter the Higgs boson. Virtual Higgs boson.
Universe is not empty. There is particles. They call it the Higgs field. This, I think, yeah, they are the holders of the throne, or they are the spirits. One of them. I think they are the holders of the throne.
Are the quanta of the Higgs field, and they interact.
All the universe, there is particle even smaller.
With all particles except the photon, the graviton, and the gluons. The interaction between the Higgs boson and each particle is directly related to the rest mass of that particle. Since the top quark has the highest rest mass, it also has the strongest interaction with the Higgs. The electron is 300,000 times less mass than the top quark, so its Higgs interaction is much smaller. And the almost massless neutrino has only a tiny, tiny interaction Since the Higgs permeates all space, any particle there
Like this interacts the space with the mass of
interacts with the
atoms.
Higgs, interacts with it all the time, and everywhere. The Higgs particle acts like sticky bits that put a drag on other particles, and it is this drag that we detect as rest mass. In order to detect a Higgs boson in the laboratory, we must create a real one instead of a virtual one. There may be as many as 5 Higgs fields.
You heard that? There may be 5 Higgs field is made of the universe. And in the Holy Book we read there is 8 the holders of the throne. They will find another 3, I think.
Each with its own boson. And hopefully in the next year or so, we will discover how many and how massive they really are.
Okay. If it had been in the heavens, earth, another gods, it had been ruined. Subhanallah, Rabb al-Arsh amma yasifun. There is no God other than me. There is no God is telling. And thank you for your coming, and thank you